Hi, it's LeJanaro back with another video. I would like to say welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel and everyone who keeps coming back each time I post a new video. So today, I guess it's considered a vlog. Me and Mommy went to Alpha Fabrics. It's the new fabric store here in Atlanta. The people who run it, we actually know them from Fine Fabrics. So it was really good to see them. But I take you through the store and show you what all they have. And Mommy will eventually do a fabric haul on the fabrics that she chose. And then the rest of the video, Mommy wanted me to make her a zippered tote bag. So I'll be making the tote bag. I'm not talking, just showing different parts of me making the tote bag. And that's it. So I guess I will see you in the next one once this one's done. Right, we're here at Alpha Fabrics. The first thing I see that I want to do, I want to get me some of these. Right, and I want to sew them all together, sew all the colors together and make a bomber jacket, like a different color block bomber jacket. This is Mommy checking out the remnant section. Hopefully you can't hear the music in the background. Another store is playing music loud, so I'm hoping that I'll still be able to put this up. But here's the remnants. Right, we come down the aisle with all the upholstery. I spy with my little eye, Mommy going down the aisles. Pretty polka dots. This looks like more upholstery over here. Coming up on some pretty knits. Ooh, what's that? That red and black and white. Ooh. Here's some Ankara fabric. Some different prints. She's knee deep in the 99-cent pattern. Yes, I have that one. So we are going through all of these bins here and sorting out everything. Things that I bought when I started my crafting journey and things that I'm not using. So we're going through it, getting rid of stuff I don't use and labeling the bins so I'll know where things I do use reside. So it's almost 10 o'clock at night. I always start things in the middle of the night.